Hey everybody, how's it going? It's James here from goodguitarist.com. It's a super hot day outside. I'm breaking a crazy sweat under all these lights. But you know what? None of that matters because today I got this in the mail. And if we look right there, it says YouTube. And we look right there, it says metal plaque. This, I'm pretty sure, is my 100,000 subscribers YouTube plaque. And I actually hit 100,000 subs in December or January, but I never realized that you have to actually apply for this. Like you have to be like, hey guys, can I get the plaque? And I did that just like a couple weeks ago. They were really fast in getting it to me. And I just want to say, before I open this up, that you can't get 100,000 subscribers without 100,000 subscribers. And that means each and every one of you. Everybody who has subscribed to this channel, you're the ones who've made this happen. And you know, real talk here, I just want to say that I'm super humbled by the fact that out of all the people out there teaching guitar lessons, there's tons of them. You know, I have to do my research. I look it up all the time. There's so many people with so many good things out there. And out of all of that, you've chosen me to be the one. You know, you probably subscribe to a few channels. I'm not going to kid myself. But the fact is, I'm one of those people that you go to for advice. And that's kind of unbelievable. That just like blows my mind. I honestly, I sincerely, I can't say enough how much I appreciate this. I don't even believe that that many people care what I have to say about guitar out of all the people out there. So let's just unbox this thing. Let's do it. All right, so here goes. I'm gonna use a nice thin guitar pick. Hopefully that'll cut through the tape. Nope. Let's try a thicker gauge guitar pick. Oh yeah. I really should have examined this thing beforehand. All right. Some lovely black foam here. This letter. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. Subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. All right, and congratulations. We are honored to take part. This is inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Well, thank you, Rick, for packaging this so well. And here we go. This is it. It's a silver play button presented to Good Guitarist for passing 100,000 subscribers. And this is sweet. This is actually a new design. The ones that I saw online didn't look like this at all. It's crazy. I get one of the new ones. That's awesome. It already comes like ready to hang up on the wall. Let's put this sucker up on the wall. Sorry, Jeff Beck. I'm gonna take you down temporarily until I can rearrange this wall. Let's hang this bad boy up. Ah, the hangers don't, they're, never mind. As you can see here, there's two hangers, and I use one where the hanger is in the center. So I'm gonna have to wait another day to hang this up. It'll probably be up in next week's videos. And you might have noticed that I wear two different colored socks. That's because I really don't care. And I know this is kind of like gloaty. This is kind of about me. Look at me, I got this award. But the truth is, we all got this award together. And even that sounds kind of corny, but it is true. I sincerely mean it. You know, I do contact some of you. There are a lot of you who do email me and leave comments and, you know, and message me on Facebook. And we have a pretty good time learning guitar together. So, you know, this is for all of us. All right. Well, once again, I don't know, I'm kind of speechless. I just don't know how to say thank you enough for subscribing to this channel and for supporting me. You know, it's been 4 years and there have been times when I've seen my subscriber count go down and it was pretty depressing. And right now it's going up, which is kind of cool. And yeah, I just want to thank everybody here for taking the time to learn guitar. You know, out of all the stuff out there, you could be looking up all this clickbait and all this, you know, mindless entertainment. And yeah, we all do. I always watch people play video games and stuff online. But, you know, out of that time, you're using some of it to actually make yourself a better person. You're learning guitar, it's gonna make you smarter, gonna make your brain work quicker, gonna make your fingers faster, it's gonna make you have a skill that you can share with people, it improves your relationships. There's so many good things about playing guitar, and I get to share that with you, and that's just amazing. So, you know, I sincerely thank you for all the support. And on a side note, if I were to start up a Patreon, like, do you guys think that's a good idea? You know, I was just throwing around some ideas. I could offer tabs of like exercises, songs, chord charts, chord progressions, you know, all the stuff that I can think of, the stuff that I would give to my students to actually make them better. And, you know, I'm wondering if you think that would be a good idea. I would definitely start up a Patreon with that stuff in mind. Anyways, once again, I couldn't have done this without you guys. And I'm gonna go back to editing. You know, I'm making Country Roads by John Denver. I'm editing that in the next room. It should be ready tomorrow, so you can look forward to that. Either way, I'm super stoked about this, and I look forward to helping you out with way more guitar stuff in the future. So thanks everybody.